In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert the PayPal payment button onto your sales page. So what I'm looking at right here is the PayPal button code that I just created in a previous video. So I'm just going to click on this and I'm just going to copy this. Alright, and then I'm going to go to my MVU software where I have the sales page opened up, and I'm just going to insert it on this sales page. Okay, and this is the way I would do it. I would just put a note here, insert buy now button, and then I would just click on the source button here. And I would just look for that text that I just typed in. So just give me 1 second here. So it says right here, insert buy now button. So I'm just going to highlight that. And paste the code onto there. And go back to normal, just to see the change that I've made. So there you go. This is the buy now button that I've created, and I've added it onto here. And I could also center that. And as you can see, it doesn't look as nice as the other buy now button. So if you do want to change the looks of it, you just, when you're creating the PayPal button, go to that feature where you're able to customize the look and make sure you have the URL of this image, and then you could just add it onto there.